Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for my new videos. Thank you!
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So ngayon guys, meron tayong parcel galing kay TikTok Shop. At ang sender natin ay si Nincom.
Tapos ano? Tapos ano?
So titingnan natin guys kung legit si seller or hindi. I-unbox natin guys. Bali ang order ko rito guys is yung tools pang impact wrench guys. Yun guys, legit si seller guys. Naka-bubble wrap pa talaga. Ito yung mga long stem na pang guys, pang impact wrench. See, yung mga pang long stem. Isang 8, 10, 12, and 14. So legit si seller guys. Thank you for watching.